Storytelling, traffic insights. I've done my research. More friendly, more respectful, more funnier without lawful restriction. Funny food jokes. 1. I told banana to relax. It says, I'm already feeling better. 2. Apples don't argue. Apples just keep things correct. 3. Why did tomato blush? It saw the salad dressing. 4. The rice said, I stick to you no matter what. 5. Let us be friends. No beef today. 6. The onion cried, but it was just being emotional. 7. Watermelon believes in sharing. It's always full of good slices. 8. The potato said, I may look plain, but I'm very down to earth. 9. Corn always listen. It has good ears. 10. Orange stayed positive. It has a great zest for life. 11. Broccoli stand tall. It knows it worked. 12. Bread said, I rise best when given time. 13. The grape said, stop the pressure. I might turn into juice. 14. Egg prefer calm talks. Egg hate cracking under pressure. 15. Cheese believes everything gets better with age. 16. The cucumber stayed cool in every situation. 17. Pizza brings people together slice by slice.